Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So I'm here guys to do another reaction video. This was a link that was sent to me I think like a week ago. It's about a minute of Dollar dance cover to Bangan. So I'm curious to see what these girls will be giving me. I haven't heard anything much about this group in the past couple months. What's going on? They need to come up with new music.
He's a two. He's a 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Dulu asyik mengadu kata aku tak ada apa. Selagi aku bernyawa aku rasa aku berharta. Akal jelek dan jiwa kental benda bukannya murah. Semua nak ke puncak tak semua sanggup menghadap susah. Hari-hari aku bersyukur ya Rabbi. Hidup sehari untuk aku cuba lagi. Tadi bermula urusan dan murah rezeki. Kalau jatuh sekali aku bangun 3 kali. Budak flat bangun. Budak flat
bangun. Budak flat bangun.
Budak flat bangun. Budak flat
Bangun. Budak flat bangun. Budak flat bangun. Okay, so it was cute. It shows that the girl
pay $163 for car insurance. Now look at how much you paid.
It shows that the girls can dance. I really do like that. But like I said, I haven't seen anything too much from this group. What's going on? We need new music. I need new music. I need to see something. Because Impicon was great. Watch Me Glow was great. Raya, I think that's the name of the song, was great. But it was like, what's going on? I haven't heard anything. Did they release an EP? I need to go search it up to see if they released an EP. But besides that, I haven't heard anything too much from this group. I'm worried. For everybody else, thank you so much for the one who recommended me to react to this 1-minute dance cover to the group Dollar. Also, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.